Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka rupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Saindur Enviro Private Limited ka basngo khia bahaya ka jingsha le ben jong ka mai mariang hau khon ban riu uba pensata da ki plastic shaki kendong kensrat ki lenti ki singkien ki khlau ki betap bar ki ki wa hakane ka kenti kala pen bana shaki pai ba nong snong ka jela Meghalaya bahkan penmi ya ki kenjapla ba yasriem kum ki plastic tama ki bala ban potno lada bread ya ki hagi jaka bread nyot ki bapaka co-founder but director jong ka Saindur Enviro Private Limited Vivek Kumar haga jingi kren bat kilai patai khubor haga sautari ujleo arjar khat khandai ulaya thu ba yakini ki kinjapla lashna haga jilla Maharashtra but lese la kumno yaka karkhana on sawanra no shagani ga jilla khnang ban punduna yaka dor jong kini ki pla lada shna bat penmi naga jilla Meghalaya ulaya thu ba yakini ki pla on supply pat ba ha gajinyalang kaban salong ha conference hall jong ka St Edmunds Higher Secondary School Shillong ka bai hap ru bat ka sngi rakhi ya ka World Environment Day ha ka parthai barok away.
Until unless we have an alternative to plastic, we cannot completely think people to not use it. We cannot say to them. So that's why for the first time Saindur Enviro Private Limited we are introducing SC organic bags. SC organic bags are 100% compostable bags made up of PLA based material which is derived from renewable resources like cornstarch, cassava, sugarcane. And these organic bags, when after use, when you bury them in soil under composting conditions, these organic bags will get composted between 90 to maximum of 180 days without leaving any toxic residue in soil. So now we can use bags which are very much eco-friendly, and these SC organic bags are not like paper bags, right? They are shaped like conventional polythene based carry bags. They look like them, but if you touch you will feel the difference. We have also sort of video on testing between compostable carry bags and polythene based carry bags. So if you go to YouTube and just type compostable versus polythene carry bags quick test, you will find our company video there. Because these carry bags, if you put them in an organic solvent, they will dissolve in a maximum of 3 to 5 seconds. You will see in that video. We all know about plastic pollution a lot. So this is what the solution we are bringing to the people of Meghalaya. This is for the first time we are launching in Meghalaya, and very soon we will be launching in other northeastern states as well.